In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recipients in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use the BCC feature so your recipients can't see each other's email addresses, which is essential for privacy and professional email etiquette when messaging a group. First, open Outlook on your desktop. Give it a moment to load your mailbox. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your account credentials and complete any verification your organization requires. Once you're looking at your inbox, you're ready to compose. Start a new message by selecting New Mail. This opens the composing window where you'll add your recipients, subject, and message. The key tool for keeping addresses hidden is called BCC, which stands for Blind Carbon Copy. In the Compose window, look for the BCC button near the right side of the To field. In many layouts, it's visible by default. If you don't see it, go to the Options tab at the top of the message and choose Show BCC. This reveals an extra recipient line specifically for hidden addresses. Now, type all of the recipients you want to keep hidden into the BCC field. Separate addresses with commas or semicolons as your Outlook version requires. Everyone listed in BCC will receive the email, but they won't see anyone else in BCC, and the people in To or CC won't see those BCC addresses either. This is ideal when you're sending updates to a group that doesn't know each other, sharing a newsletter, or protecting contact privacy for clients or teammates across organizations. To keep the To field from being empty, add your own email address there. This small step helps some email systems treat your message as more complete and makes it clear who the primary sender and reply target should be. It also gives you a copy of the final email in your inbox exactly as recipients will see it, which can be helpful for record keeping. A couple of quick best practices while you're here. Keep your subject line clear so recipients immediately understand the purpose, and write a concise message that doesn't rely on reply all. Remember, replies to your email will typically go only to the sender, not to BCC recipients. Before sending, double-check that everyone who should be hidden is in BCC and not in To or CC. That's it. Launch Outlook, sign in if needed, start a new message, show BCC if it's hidden, place all private recipients in the BCC field, and put your own address in the To field. You'll protect privacy and keep your emails clean and professional every time.